If you would like to save a route on Google Maps, today's video I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first thing first, make sure that you have launched your Maps application. In my case, I've already selected my destination and my source. I'm traveling from here to here. And then you have to tap on directions. Once you tap on direction, you will see a page like this. You can see all the way up to here from there. Now, if you would like to save this, simply add this to your home screen. For that, tap on three dot icon, and then you will see this Add Route to Home Screen button. Tap it, then tap on Add again. Now, this will be added onto your home screen. If you would like to open it, tap onto it and this will show up. You can go ahead, tap on Preview or start your destination and simply travel along. So guys, this is all for today's video. Thank you for watching.